Hi guys, today we are going to review a product which is SLOVIC premium phone holder. So I have ordered this product from amazon.in. So let's open the box. This product had great reviews, so I ordered it and I thought let's unbox it and have a quick review. This is the bill. It is priced at ₹399. Okay, let's keep it aside and open the box. What is inside? Let's check it out. You can see on the box SLOVIC premium phone holder, 360-degree rotation, compatible with any tripod, easy to use, high quality, premium design. Original cost is ₹699. This is the MRP actually. This is made in China, marketed by Open Sky. So if you want to shoot photograph or videos through tripod, then you can use this product. You can open this, adjust your phone accordingly. This is how you can adjust your phone, and then again close it down so that the grip, and you can also move it 360-degree. It is very easy to use, and this point is that need to be attached with the tripod. The build quality is really nice. I must say it has really great, really nice build quality. Only concern is that it is not auto adjustable. You have to adjust it every single time. There is a cut which is inside cut, and it will help in to have a great grip, so your phone will not slip. So this is how you can add it on the tripod, and like this you can adjust it, move it 360-degree, and the grip, as you can see, the grip is really tight, very nice. Only the side effect of this product, or cons of this product, is that every time you will need to attach a phone, you have to adjust everything right from the start. It is not auto adjustable, but yes, you can move your phone, adjust it 360-degree wherever you want to. Like this, you have to adjust it every single time. So it's not auto adjustable. I also have this one. This phone holder is auto adjustable and grip is really nice, but it does not move 360-degree. So every product has its own pros and cons. So this one is also nice product and it is auto adjustable.